irregular spacing. So the requirement is spacing. Okay? So we might be needing this. But before we can go here, we need to determine this first. It's niya and it say there no kung simplified bang equation or kung detailed, but let's just use the simplified for now. So there are two procedures here. We have the simplified and the detailed. So kung may ibutang, so ibutang sa yun. At least ibutang niya nga use the detailed na equation. Yan na naman sa board exam, no? Hindi lang ipang-specify kung sa ila need. If wala, di pa. So, you really use simplified. Okay? So, simplified again because there's no actual force acting on our beam. No? May ibutang yan, may actual force. So, we are free to use the point in the simplified, which this is sa galing siya?
0.17 lambda.
And lambda of
Square root of FC
square root of x prime
as
times BD, no? BD. Okay. Where lambda is 1 for normal weight. Okay, which is usually the case if you're doing structural members. Okay, so what do we need? We have our FC prime, we have our B, we need to look for our D. Na may D, ba niya?
Wala sa minister.
Wala, no? But we have, there's a mention of the stirrups. Okay, and I think we're safe to use here the 40 millimeter. I've read somewhere no ba na kung 16 mm down below ang inyong main bar, you can use 40 mm na cover. Pero if greater than 20 or 20, you can use now 50. But I'm not sure if that's what I haven't seen this one do. Usually, the method is 40 basta open to the weather. 75 mm embedded sa sword. So we'll use 40. So what's the one here? The cross section. For now, let's have just some spacing on my bars. You know already how to solve for the bars, but in case na mag-dual layers or mag-triple layer, there will be some changes in beam, so you have to account for that as well. 40 degree sa face plus 10 na stirrup
Plus
plus 25
12.5.
62.5.
62 0.5. So our D is now equals to 100 minus 447.
437.
437. 437.
Yes, sir.
Point
5.
5. Okay, that's our D. Answer. What did you know? 438. Sibog naman, siyempre. Ayaw lang. Masakit sila yan. Although sa actual nila na, may dapat sa actual, no? Atong drawing is straight kayo, nakatagod na. Upo. Nakabot ng actual kay magkambak-ambak na. Ayaw po. Stirrup kay gusto takag na straight o na ito pagkagubak to hindi na nagubak you have to be proactive yun sa yung design. You have to account all the mga discrepancies no, sa between sa design and sa actual. Pero kung dito siguro mo Dubai, Abu Dhabi, ito na may mga construction so basic, it is allowed na may mga highway or lubang. Anyway, this is our one, so it will have our D already. And what else do we need? Okay, so for BC, we can solve for BC. BC is equals to 0.70 lambda 1 times the square root of 21. 21 times your P of 0.35 P minus of Tn alin no? Naman din kay Pascal so 350 ini siya 350 by
437.5.
5 para mahitong kilonewtons 119.29 what will we do next? We have our BC using the simplified equation. So we need to we cannot solve this man because what is spacing. Okay, so we need to check on this. Sa malikwaon, doon ang pagpaon sa iyang loading. So this is PU is equals to VN. So para may mo, so divide kayo pa. VN should be PU divided by your reduction factor, which is for here is 0.75. So let's try to extract our VU. Okay, so we are going to get that, of course, with this apple. Okay. Ano na siya overhang now. And simple overhang with 3 meters na overhang. No, at the right side, so therefore this is 60 meters. We have a distributed load of W. Since greater than maning live load versus your your dead load versus your live load, so you might want to check kung critical na ito ba dead load na 1.40. Yeah. 35. That is 35 m. And then, yung isa po no? 120 plus 160 lang. 62 W. Okay, so what's the reaction? We need to, it's either you want to draw the shear diagram or you're going to reactions. Sama nito. Draw na lang. What's the reaction?
155 sa A plus. 155.
155 point.
155 isa.
Okay. This is going up, of course. And then with the side. This is one. This is now 62 kilograms. Okay. 139. Asa man yung 155 dito? Sa subscription.
Dili 186. 186.
1-3 lang.
Huh? Ano?
139.5.
Ay, minus pa. Ano minus na yun?
418.5. Okay.
Ayaw.
Ano ko nabot nga din ko with arm case.
Let's draw the diagram. Ito mo draw yan.
Ang 3 na yun.
Camera. Okay. 0 degrees man ni 0 no? 0 degrees. So first thing dapat ang shear. So triangle. And then something like that. Tulot man, tulot. So, lima lang ang iso. Kaya lang isa, 139, 139.5. Kaya lang 232.5 minus, plus 186. So, mas habong siya niya. So, 186 point. 186 lang. Okay. Mas habol siya. Okay, and then you will have some over here.
Hmm?
Is that correct? Okay, so what's our PN? Highest. Okay. So, sa ganitong ilong na talabo for the critical section for the shear sa concrete. This is the for example, column, and this is your beam. So the critical shear does not happen in this place. But it happens at but it happens at a distance D given sa facing of column or support. Which means that the critical section should be somewhere here. At that distance D. Or, mas nato kami. No? Negative lang siya. So, nara siya sa ubos. Pero, comparing value sa sato. So, masignalin yun. Obviously, hindi mas nato kaysa na. Pero, at this portion here, let's put the critical shear. This is distance D. This one also is distance. But obviously, our biggest value there is we were looking for the maximum critical section. So, among those shear values, this one is the biggest. So, we're going to investigate that part there. Okay? So, how do you solve for that portion there?
Critical ba?
Similar.
Kaya.
Sige, pila man na siya. We're looking for this value. That's the critical shear value there. How do you solve that? Sige po atong suwayan yung C15.
iFood, sir.
How much is that? How do you solve that? Saan mo nag-solve? What a bigger triangle. Okay, tapos sakto. Sige, tanda na. Magbuhat og dako nga triangle. Kada ko baliktad.
Dito ba po naman? Sa diri.
Inihalam 6 na. It seems that you're fixated to only one solution, may like solution. Nalipat na mo sa isa na solution na.
Gating ko sa mo.
Dali ito. Ito, isend sa moving notes.